Hello and welcome to my first video on YouTube. Today I will introduce this beautiful Giorgio Armani watch to you. At first we will look at this box. This box looks very high in quality. It has a light frosted optic. Here you can see this Giorgio Armani logo. Yes, that was the box for the first. Now we will open the box. Here we have the watch. It comes with a stainless steel, and this glass is made out of mineral glass. It's have a little bit of a frosted optic. This band is made out of leather. How you can see, will focus, of leather here, a little bit frosted, how I already said. This watch is also adjustable. How you can see, here are the holes for already all sizes of hands, and the casing diameter is 41 millimeters or 8.6 inches. I don't know how you see it, but I will tell the both sizes. And yes, that was all. Now I will show you a little bit of this watch. The rest of the watch I will show you. Here is a logo. Here you can also see a logo. And if I open it, here is the logo too. And on the back is the logo. Sorry, but this is a little bit used. Here also the model from Giorgio Armani. And here stays also stainless steel, what I've talked about before. And yes, I think that was all. I think this is a beautiful watch. The price is about $180 or 150 euros. Yes, this is not very expensive, but not very cheap. So this was my first video. I hope you like it, and we will see next time. Bye bye.